Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Welcome to episode 3 of So How Can You Make the Hollywood System Work for You to Sell Your Experimental Horror Films. Next, get yourself a domain name. Get that set up, get yourself a website. Have someone create yourself your own website and get that going. You can post everything up there. After that, you're going to want press releases. This comes in the form of an interview by your local newspaper, attempts on interviews of several radio stations, and even a TV spot at your local TV station. Check for those that take human interest stories. That's what you want. Get your community involved with the different clubs and organizations. Explain to them what you're doing, how are you going to do it, and you know what? They may even be interested to fund it and participate in your film. Even act in it and stuff like that. Provide props. Anything like that at all will work. And the more things you can get that's free is going to be needed. All right? So I hope this helps you out. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do join Avant-Garde Films Philippines. Put a like on the entertainment page. Do join Morbid Team Entertainment Barter, Buy and Sell Group. And this is Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do look forward to the 4th installment of this series. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.